Okay, now we're doing question number 3b, right? So here's the two triangles there. We have 3b. So if you look at these triangles here, they are telling us that triangle ABC are similar to triangle QPR, right? They've given that to us here on the top. The triangles are similar, but now they want us to calculate angle X. So if they're telling us that the triangles are similar, it means that the corresponding angles are all equal. Okay, so but let's look at this one here. Can you see you've got two angles and you've got an X, and you can work out X by saying X plus 100 plus 55 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. That's my statement. Okay, what's my reason? Sum of angles in a triangle are adding up to 180 degrees. So X is equals to 180 minus 100 minus 55. So if I minus that, I'm getting my X equals to 25 degrees. So I've solved for my X. Now they want me to find Y, right? Now can you see Y is QR there, the long side of this triangle here. So now we have to use, when you have similar triangles and you need to solve a side, we have to use proportions. Okay, so let's look for QP, AB and QP, right? So AB over QP is what I've been given their measurements. AB is 3 and QP is what? 9. Okay, if I solve this again, I'm getting 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 3 divided by 3 is 3. So again, I'm getting 1/3. Now it's not always equals to 1/3. It just happened that both these questions are equal to 1/3, right? So now I need to solve for Y. So I need QR. Okay, so this is the bottom part of the triangle opposite this 100 here. So I've got AC over, I'm looking for corresponding sides, right? So AC over QR is equals to, what is AC? 7 centimeters. And what is QR? Y. So 7 over Y is equals to what? It's going to be equals to this 1/3 here. And why am I saying it's equal to the 1/3? Because all the sides are in proportion. And why are they in proportion? Because we have similar triangles. We've been told that the triangles are similar. We're not asked to prove that the triangles are similar. We've been given that they are similar, but we must find the measurement of the Y. So now I've got 7Y is equals to 1 over 3. Right? So what did I do to Y to get to 3? And what did I do to 7 to get to 1? Right? So 7 divided by 7 would be giving me 1. So I need a number divided by 7 to get to 3. So what would my answer be? 7 times 3 is 21. So if I'm taking 7 over 21 and I'm simplifying it, divide that by 7, that's 1. Divide that by 7. It's 3. So that's how I've got my Y to be 21. Okay, so that's how I've solved for my Y. So in the first one also we used proportions and we solved for the Y, and here also we solved for the Y. But the X, we could have just used sum of angles of a triangle and we found a value for X. Okay, let's do the next one. Now this one here, leave this one out, right? C. Marf, I should have told you all that before. It's Pythagoras theorem and we haven't done Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we're not going to do that.